Claude Code 2.1.205 tightens auto mode safety and turns the doctor command into a full setup checkup for your environment. Auto mode now blocks any attempt to tamper with your session transcript files, and it pauses to ask before running a destructive delete command on a variable it can't resolve from context. The doctor command is now a full setup checkup. It can diagnose and fix issues automatically, not just report them. The checkup command works exactly the same way. Auto update binary downloads now stream straight to disk instead of buffering in memory, cutting the updater's peak memory usage by roughly 400 megabytes. That's a lighter footprint every time Claude updates itself in the background. Quick plug, I built a side project called VibeMon. It quietly tracks your Claude Code activity, your focus time, your projects, your streak, and turns it into a slime that's yours. It's free at vibemon.dev. This release is safer auto mode and a smarter doctor command. Subscribe to catch what ships next.